Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my live coding session. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to complete the midterm exam question for the operating system course at Sriwijaya University, Faculty of Computer Science, Department of Information System. My name is Daffa Pratama Putra with student number 09031282328090. Okay, let's get started to question number one. Okay, in question number one, you need to create a main directory named nama inside the home mahasiswa directory. This directory will serve as the root folder for all our tasks. To do this, I will use the mkdir command, which stands for make directory. Let's type the command. First, open your terminal or command prompt. Then use this command first, then go to home, then make mahasiswa, go into mahasiswa, and finally we can make the name nama directory. Yeah, we can check that, bro. Okay, here I'm creating a directory called nama inside the home mahasiswa. The mkdir command is used to create the new directory in Linux. After running this command, the directory should be created. Let's verify it using the ls command to list the content of home mahasiswa. As you can see, the name nama directory has been successfully created. This is where we will build our directory structure. Okay, next question. We need to create the three subdirectories inside the name nama directories, name, document, code, and arsip. These directories will help us to organize our files later. I will use the mkdir command again, but this time I will specify the full path to the name nama directory. Okay, hadir do. Oh, we should go to nama directory first. Arsip, 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 encoder. Okay. Here I'm creating three directories named document, code, and arsip inside the nama directory. The mkdir command allows us to create multiple directories at once by specifying their names. Let's check if the directory were created successfully using the ls command. ls. As you can see, the three directories named document, folder, and arsip have been created successfully. The structure will help us organize our files in a systematic way. Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, the next question for question 1C, we need to display the directory structure we just created. To do this, I will use the tree command which show the directory structure in a tree-like format. If you don't have the tree command installed, you can install it using sudo apt install tree. Let's run the command. By the way, I have been installed the tree, so I just calling the three command here. As you can see, the three command display the directory structure in a hierarchical way. As you can see, the name nama directory contains three directories, name, document, code, and arsip. This confirms that our directory structure has been set up correctly. Okay, the number one is finished. Let's move to the question number two. Okay, go to the next question. Now let's move to the question number two. In question number 2a, we need to create a file named identitas.txt inside the document directory. This file will contain my personal information, including my name, and study program. To create the file, I will use the echo command, which allow us to write text directly into a file. Let's type the command. Let's make file. Slash n is using for the new line. Then in 090312823290. Okay, slash n again, and Prodi is information system. We make it to the document directory name identitas.txt. Okay, let's check. Here I'm using the echo commands with the mean is like to enable interpretation of the access escape. You such as slash and for new line, the text is edited into identitas.txt file using the operator. Let's verify the content of the file using the command. Yeah, I think we should go to the document directory first, then use cat identitas.txt. As you can see, the file identitas.txt now contains my name, and study program. This file will be used in the next step. Okay, we'll do that. In the question number 2b, we need to copy identitas.txt file from the document directory to the arsip directory and rename it to identitas underscore backup.txt. To do this, I will use the cp command, which stands for copy. Let's run the command. Cp document identitas.txt to slash arsip slash identitas underscore backup dot txt. Okay, let's check it. Cd arsip use cat command to see backup. As you can see, the identitas backup.txt file has been successfully created in the arsip directory. This serves as backup of the original file. Okay. Okay, let's move the 2C question. In the 2C question, we need to move the identitas.txt file from the document directory to the code directory. To do this, I will use the mv command, which stands for move. Let's running the command. We back to name nama directory, then mv document slash identitas.txt to kode slash identitas dot txt. Okay, then check ls document. There is no file again. Otherwise, we check the folder. There is identitas.txt. As you can see, the identitas.txt file is no longer in document directory and has been successfully moved to the code directory. Okay, next to the 2D question. In 2D question, we need to display the content of identitas backup.txt file. To do this, I will use the cat command again. Let's run the command. Let's move to a seed, then cat identitas backup.txt. As you can see, the content of identitas underscore backup.txt are the same as the original identitas.txt file. This confirms that the backup was successful. Okay, let's move to the question number 3. Okay, let's start with the 3 question. In the 3A question, we need to set specific permission for the identitas backup.txt file located in the archive directory. The owner should have read and write permission. The group should only have read permission, and others should have no access. To do this, I will use the chmod command, which stands for change mode. Let's run the command. Here I say should number backup.txt. Okay, the code has been successfully running. Here I'm using the chmod command with the numeric mode is 640. Let's me explain what this means. Okay, the first digit 6 represent the owner permission. Read means 4 and write means 2. Then summary the two number. Then you can have the 6 value. Then the second digit 4 represent the group permission. Read is 4. Then the third digit is 0 represent the other permission is no access or 0. Let's verify the permission using the ls min l command. S min l identitas backup.txt. Okay, as you can see, the owner have a RW. That mean the owner just can read and write. Then the group is R strip strip. That mean can only read, and the others, all the three symbol is strip have no access. As this ensure the file is secure and only accessible to authorized user. Okay, let's move to the question number 3B. In the 3B question, we need to change the ownership of the identitas backup.txt file so that it's owned by the root user and the staff group. To do this, I will use the chown command, which stands for change owner. Let's run the command. Sudo chown root staff. Okay, sudo password. Here I'm using the sudo because changing ownership to root requires administrative privilege. The ch own comments take the format user group, so root staff means the file will be owned by the root user and the staff group. Let's verify the ownership using the lsl command. ls l then let's use the as you can see, the ownership of identitas underscore backup.txt has been changed to root for the user and staff for the group. This is useful for system administration staff tasks where certain files need to be managed by specific user or group. Okay, next move. Let's move to the 3C question. In 3C question, we need to display the file permission and ownership after the change. We've been already done this using the ls min l command, but let's run again to confirm it. Okay, let's run again this command. As you can see, the output show that the file is owned by root and the staff group here. Then with permission set to underscore rw underscore r underscore and all underscore here. Okay, now let's move to question number 4. In question number 4a, we need to create a file name reference c underscore nim.txt in the nim nama directory. This file will contain a statement about the operating system documentation. Let's use the echo command to create this file. Wait, we back to the nim nama directory, then use command here. And if you think they are is done, then do it to name C, then check. As you can see, the referencing underscore name file is has been successfully created in the nim nama directory. Then we should check the then we check the verify content using the cat command. Reference nim.txt. As you can see, the file contains the text we just wrote. This file will be used to create a symbolic link in the next step. Okay, let's move to the fourth question. In the fourth question, we need to create a symbolic link into referency underscore name.txt name shortcut underscore name.txt. A symbolic link is like a shortcut that's a pointing to another file. To create it, I will use the ln command with the link is mean as flag, which stand for symbolic. Let's run the command. baru dot shortcut short .txt. Then we check. Let's see. Here I'm creating a symbolic link name shortcut name.txt that's point to reference underscore name.txt. Let's verify the link using the ls min l command. As you can see, the shortcut underscore name.txt is a symbolic link pointing to the referency underscore name.txt. The L at the beginning of the permission indicate that is a link. Okay, let's move to the 4C question. For the 4C question, we need to display the list of files in the directory to confirm the symbolic link was created. We have done it using the ls min l command, but let's run it again. The output showed that shortcut underscore name.txt is a symbolic link pointing to the referency underscore name.txt. This confirmed that the link was created successfully. Okay, let's move to the question number 4D. In the 4D question, we need to update the content of reference underscore name.txt. Let's use the echo command to override the file with new content. Echo dokumentasi telah diperbarui. Dokumentasi telah diperbarui oleh Daffa Pratama Putra. Dan referensi then check the referensi dot c. As you can see, the file now contains the updated text. Okay, let's move the last question for number 4. Finally, for the question number 4, we need to display the content of shortcut answer name.txt since a symbolic link it should reflect the updated content of the reference underscore name.txt. Let's check. Okay, shortcut name.txt. As you can see, the content of shortcut underscore name.txt match the update content of the reference underscore name.txt. This is because a symbolic link point the original file, so any change to the original file are reflected in the link. This is powerful feature of the symbolic link in Linux. Okay, let's go to the question number 5. In question number 5, now let's move to the question number 5a. In the question number 5a, we need to check the default UMAS value on our system. The UMAS command determines the default permission for newly created files and directory. Let's run the command. First, back opening UMAS. Okay. The output show the default UMAS value, which is typically 0002 on system. This value is subtracted from the default permission. to determine the actual permission. Okay, next to the 5B question. In this question, we need to change the you must to 027 and create a new file named data name.txt. Let's go to, let's create 0 to create file name. Create file name data name.txt. Fetch. Okay, the test command create an empty file. Let's check the permission of the new file using the ls-l command. Okay, let's go to the purpose. Or for this, as you can see, the permission for data underscore name.txt are underscore are read and write for the user and read only for the group. This is because the UMAS of 0 to 7 subtract write permission for the group and all permission for others. Okay, let's move to the 5C question. In the 5C question, we need to display the permission of data underscore name.txt after creation. We've already done using the ls command, but let's run again. Okay, as you can see, the output show that the file has permission is the owner is read and write only, the group can only read and other have no access. Okay, let's move to the last question. Okay, let's dive deeper into question number 5D and explain how changing the UMAS affect the permission of newly created file. Okay, the UMAS user file creator max is setting that determine the default permission for a newly created file and directories. It works by subtracting permission from the default setting. For file, the default permission are 666, and for directories, the default permission are 777. When you set a you must value, it subtracts specific permission for this default. For example, you must 0 to 7 means the owner permission remain unchanged or 0 subtracted from 6 result in 6. So the owner retains right and write permission. Then the group permission lose the write permission to subtract from 6 result in 4, so the group can only read. Then other lose all permission, 7 subtract from 6 result in 0, so others have no access. This is why when we created the data name.txt file with UMAS of 0 to 7, the permission were set to read write for the owner and just and read for the group and nothing for the other. The owner could read and write, the group could only read, and others had not. As this is mechanism is useful for controlling the default security level of file and directories, ensuring that sensitive files are not accidentally exposed to an unauthorized user. Okay, that's all. That's a wrap for today's session. We've covered a lot of ground, setting file permission, creating symbolic link, and understanding how the UMAS work in Linux. I hope this video has been helpful and that you now feel more confident working with this concept. If you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you to the next question. I'm Daffa Pratama Putra. Goodbye and ciao.